Hey guys, welcome to a Subway Surfers. As you can see, I've played before on this, but I got jackpot. But yeah, this is just the starting. It's really annoying. Takes forever to pass. Scratch that. Deet, 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 deet. Okay, it's horrible. You get the letter over the coinage, okay? Because the coins, they're really easy to get. Yo. See, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 would be nice likes in this vid. So, please tell me if I should get, well, please tell me what game I should play next. So, yeah, this is Subway Surfers. Oh god. Oh wow, I was about to get X. Really die. So, as I was saying, please tell me what game I should play. Because I have no idea what I should play. So, I've got another game instead of that, so I don't know if it's downloaded yet. No, it hasn't. It's called Balloons. Well, Balloons TD Battles. And yes, if you hear laughing in the background.
Thank you guys so much for cleaning up after. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was.
Proud of all of you guys, okay?
That's my mom. That's my mom. So yeah, right now I'm just at my grandma's with both my cousins and my second cousin. And my aunt, my uncle, yeah, practically my whole family is here. Except for my dad's side of the family. So yeah, this is, oops, wish I got that. But yeah, so, what should I talk about right now? I don't know. John. 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 John, your mom's about to die. Okay, that'll get your attention. John. What's the game that I should play on my YouTube channel? No, what is a game? Name a game.
Temple Run 2.
Okay, so you guys in this video, please comment for Temple Run or say another game.
What? I can't hear anything. What is it?
No, I'm asking my my fans. Guys, can you come up with a name for all of you guys, all the subs, please? Hey John, do you want to try? John? Yeah, he's not listening. Do you want to play?
No, I'm fine. I'd rather play
The Alto's Adventures. Oh, you want to do another collab? Another one? Hey John, how about I'll do the speaking in the next one?
What?
I'm just gonna say, almost collab next video. Well, do you want to do the Llama game and only you play?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be striking up random conversations to annoy you. So yeah, next episode, this will be like 5 minutes because this is gonna be a short episode, 10 minutes. Well, I guess it isn't short. It's short. Well, it's long for me because I don't really play. So yeah, like I said, please name another game that you'd want to see me play. And then I need to show you a lit. Something actually really lit. I've found like the littest thing of lit. I found the littest of the lit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. I found the littest of the lit. Is that a good idea? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you something on YouTube. So, it's actually strange. Yeah, sorry if I'm like sort of stuttering a wee bit. Because I am like, I don't know. I can't really talk to someone doing through YouTube, so it's hard for me. So if I stutter or something, yeah, it's from that. Ow. And maybe at 100, I know this sounds a little early, but maybe at 250 likes, I will show you the 250 subscribers. I might. Oh, whoops! I was supposed to do face cam. Sorry. Next video. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this, and then I'm gonna show you. I'll be back in 1 second. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. So, I really hope you can hear this. So I need to restart this.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Okay, guys, please tell me if that's oh, it's wrong game. Please tell me if that is anywhere close to maximum cringe, because to me that's close to maximum cringe. This music is really cringy. Oh, Santa is cringy, really cringy. So, yeah, I think this is gonna be an episode once I die here. So, yeah, it's probably not gonna be a long time. I don't know how I should do that. So yeah, this will be the last. Actually, no, it might not be the last video of the day. I might do one at like 8, but yeah, this one or the next one's gonna be the last video of the night. I might do another one. Hey, John. Sorry, this might take a little while. John. Okay, so yeah, you can't hear him, but next video we're gonna be doing him playing Alto's Adventures. Guys, look, he's a crane. Oh, no, please work. Please work. See, he's just a crane. He's a crane. Oh. So yeah. Oh, Trixie's hat. So, see you guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Oops, wrong button. Bye.